Hello my beautiful dolls, my name is Reyes and welcome to my stunning YouTube channel. So, today I just wanted to sit down and recreate one of the looks that I did back in January, and of course the look I'm talking about is this white covered in pearls and golden hoops, very luxurious kind of moment. I didn't actually do like the full makeup, which I kind of regret. However, today I wanted to sit down and do basically the full look. Yeah, we're going in. I don't really know if I have enough of the pearls to cover my entire face. However, I have quite a lot of pearls, like different sizes. I'm not quite sure if I have like enough of small halves. However, we will improvise. Even if I don't, we will, improvise and turn the look anyway. So yeah, before we begin the video, I just wanted to ask you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course, ring the notification bell because you don't want to miss any of my brand new videos. Okay, let's get into the video right now. Okay, so I went and did my base off camera because it literally takes forever. However, if you want to see how I do my foundation, I have an in-depth tutorial of how I get in drag on my YouTube channel, and you can check it out and basically see every single aspect as well as the foundation. So yeah, what I want to do now is I want to take Kryolan Sweet Paint Stick and basically draw like additional highlights as shown on the reference. Just let's get into it. Now I'm going to take white eyeshadow and I'm basically going to set certain areas very strategically in place, just so the highlights remain very white and intense. And the rest of the face I'm going to set with translucent powder by RCMA. Okay, so I kicked off the bake. I also sprayed my face with MAC Fix Blast just to kind of kick off the dustiness and also make sure that the white eyeshadow that I'm gonna apply later is going to stick. So now I'm just gonna take my Paese 666 eyeshadow and I'm just gonna contour lightly my forehead. Contour the nose. As always, as usual, nothing new here. I'm gonna take Tako eyeshadow by Sugarpill and I'm just gonna highlight down the middle of the nose, a little bit on the chin. I'm just gonna go around and highlight once again all the highlights that I put earlier. I'm gonna take a bigger brush and I'm just gonna highlight underneath my cheekbone. No, just a regular daytime makeup. Going to get some groceries, just a girl next door. Stunning! Now I'm gonna take my NYX gel liner and I'm gonna do my inner corner liner. I'm in a really weird mood, you guys. Like, I'm not energized at all. Like, I really want to go to bed. I've been wanting to film this video like for 3 days and every time I would wake up, I would be like, I don't know about this. I don't know about this. I literally woke up with the same thought today and a couple of hours later I was like, okay, I have nothing else to do. Might as well just sit down, film a video for my YouTube channel. And look at me now, without even eyeliner, sitting here talking to you. I don't know about this eyeliner. We're just gonna move on. It's really weird, I don't know. I mean, it kind of works, right? Right? Okay, so while the eyeliner is drying, I probably should do like my beauty marks, so I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll be right back. And then for some reason my phone stopped recording, so basically what I'm doing is I'm taking a Kryolan 3-pin stick on a flat synthetic brush and I'm basically painting on highlights, then taking a fluffy brush and creating a faded effect. And of course, setting everything with our CMA no color powder. Okay, so I basically have like a different sizes of half pearls and also like rings and like buttons and also small pearls with holes in them. And I also prepared like some pre-made like rings so I can like hang them. So yeah, I'm basically just gonna start gluing stuff to my face. As simple as that. I probably won't be talking through the process because it literally takes forever and I've been sitting here for hours, so let's get into it. Oh, by the way, I'm using Duo glue. I'm also going to be using super glue, which I do not recommend using on your face. However, I am going to be using that because some of the items that I'm going to be gluing to my face are too heavy for an eyelash glue. I'm also going to be using Mastix by Kryolan on certain areas. It's gonna be a long process. Wish me luck. Okay, so I started stoning and this is what it looks like so far. As you can tell, I already stoned my entire nose and the upper eyelids, and I started stoning under eye area, and I'm just picking up with this art stick, which, you guys, if you're planning on doing something like this, get this one. It's really cheap and it will change your life, because I used to pick my stones and pearls with a lip liner. It was a disaster. The stones would get dirty. It was just not a great look. I'm just gonna continue stoning and yeah, enjoy the process. Alright my dolls, so this is the finished look. I went off camera and I finished gluing down the pearls. I also put my outfit on, a little bit of smearage on my chest. And I am in love with the way this look turned out. I can barely speak because I am afraid that this all will fall off. But I am in love, literally, like look at this. So stunning. We have little dingly things right here. I'm wearing my little spoon with pearls on it. Pearls all over, wearing gold. Isn't it gorgeous? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification bell, and of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @Reyes so you don't miss any new pictures. Okay, I'm gonna go take a lot of pictures of this stunning look, and I will see you in the next one very, very soon. Mwah. Bye, dolls.